Welcome to Expo City. Dubai Expo City.
Yeah, come here. We need to ride there. We'll go in.
We will ride in this car.
You can take us there.
We'll go to the restaurant because we will eat our lunch. We are from the church. So we'll ride in this car. So we are here at the entrance of the Expo City.
Anyone open now?
Let's go.
Mommy, you go first.
We're going inside.
455 Egerton.
So there's a different flags from different countries. Amazing Expo City. Sia is enjoying the ride.
This is just giant.
Yeah.
So the activities here open at 6
Yeah,
p.m.
almost everything.
Although
That's
this
High Ramadan.
Ah.
So the middle, people who are fasting, break the fast, and after that they will.
Okay.
But the events will start with Ramadan Canon. They will try to reach at 6.
This canon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
the
we're
biggest
here.
This is the only one open at the
Eat
moment.
our lunch here and the side.
That one.
There are under.
We're just roaming around here in Expo City because summer's coming, so it's a little bit hot.
Kay unique man sa ding ingani nila good.
Gani. So this is the Expo City during a daytime. If it's nighttime, this view is very nice.
Iftar pa mag-open.
Ganda, no?
Mm-mm. This is the Expo
May bayad ka na.
Dome.
Maganda di ka lang. Ano, makapapad, mga batas ka daw. Playground na sa talong tayo.
One, actually diha naga-show. Kay stage man na siya diha. Mo up, then mo down. So, kung dito ka makapwesto, makita mo ng kung sa kalihukan.
So this area there is an show here every night.
Dari na guru ka practice ka tong mga bibitay-bitay, no? Tuyok na dito, pwede ba?
UAE Pavilion.
feeling na nila kay naglagusi nila sa ilang expo. Baga sa France pa ang Eiffel Tower, then sa Belgium ang